You stand scratching your head, looking at your bowed basement wall thinking, how can this be fixed? Stay tuned to hear the 3 best repairs for fixing bowed basement walls. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Any bowed wall can be worrisome, but especially a wall as important as your basement wall. In this video, I'll tell you what the benefits of carbon fiber straps are, why use wall anchors, and how helical tiebacks work. Carbon fiber straps are the preferred method of repairing a bowed basement wall here at AccuLevel, and there's a couple different reasons why. They're usually the cheapest solution, they're the quickest solution, less intrusive, and the best to look at when they're completely finished. So what I mean by that is it doesn't stand away from the wall very much. There's not a big piece of steel in front of your wall. It's simply grind down and adhered with an epoxy to your basement wall. And it can easily be painted over to where it doesn't stand out like maybe steel would or other repair methods to your basement wall. And they're much more efficient, so we can be in and out a lot quicker with a lot less mess and still stabilizing your wall with a life of the structure warranty, just like wall anchors or helical tiebacks. Wall anchors are our second choice here at AccuLevel, and they come up when your basement wall has sheared. And so if you have block or even a poured wall and you have a block that's slipped over the top of another block at least 1.5 inches, we cannot use carbon fiber straps. Or maybe there's a plumbing line at the very top of the wall that doesn't allow us to anchor that strap back into the structure of the home right. And so then we're going to start looking at wall anchors. And so we can use these because they're kind of the second most expensive option, but not quite to tiebacks. And they'll still come with the life of the structure warranty, but you do have some steel on the inside of that basement wall. It's a little bit more intrusive where you got to dig a hole out into your yard. And so we're going to try to use carbon fiber, but that's not always the chance. And it's very important for us to stay nimble and have another option for you when the preferred method might not be the right solution for your home. So when we use helical tiebacks, it's basically a giant steel screw that's screwed out horizontally into your yard and underneath whatever structure's there. Maybe you have a garage or a patio or beautiful landscaping that you don't want to disturb with wall anchors, but we can't use straps. And so we install those wall tiebacks by not disturbing anything on the outside, screwing that through the wall, and then placing a piece of steel on the inside of that wall to permanently hold that wall in place. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about repairing your basement wall? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.